So Featherlight Weedeater brand, I'm going to be showing you how to re-spool this. Opening the spool top here is real easy. You just pull straight out. There isn't anything holding it on. So that comes straight on out. You might have something left on your spool. Just take that off and remove it. Now if your spring flies off, you're going to need this. Don't lose this. Put it right back on where you got it from. I have some real heavy gauge line that I'm going to be feeding through here. It's about the thickest stuff that you can fit through this eyelet. And this is about 1.5 yards. And to begin spooling, just simply lock it into place in here. Now since my stuff is so thick, I can't even lock it into there. But what I do is I just put my finger down, hold it, and begin wrapping from there. I could use thinner stuff, but I love this stuff. It lasts longer. The only thing, little complaint that I have is I need to be using a line that doesn't have any form to it, you know, just regular line with no shape. This one has edges on it, and it cuts the grass better. Problem is though that it gets locked up inside the spool and it catches against little angles in there. So if you don't want it catching, just buy the line, plain line that doesn't have any edges on it, just cylindrical line. Alright, got this all wrapped around. I'm going to shove it through the eyelet. There you go. Pull that out, and as I'm pulling out, I'm going to make sure that I wrap this around the spring and pull out, and as I'm pulling out, I'm going to push the head of the Weedeater on, because I want this tension where my 4 fingers touching to stay tight as I'm pushing the head on, so it doesn't get tangled in there. And that's it. And you'll know whether or not you've done a good job if you depress the head like this, pull out, and let go. And it's working great.